Hi, today's video will be a braid and curl tutorial using Kera's new Curl Essence Moisturizing Curl Activator. I will be doing this style on blow dried hair because it's easier for me to wrap perm rods on my hair when my hair is stretched. So to get started, I applied the leave-in and it was very thick and moisturizing and went well in my hair. Then you want to detangle your hair to make sure it is smooth, because whenever you do perm rods, it has to be smooth or it'll come out lumpy and bumpy. Then I proceed to braid my hair. So I would say you want to leave at least 30% of hair out for you to wrap your hair on the perm rod. I apply more product to the end of my hair to make sure my hair is really smooth when wrapping it around the perm rod. I repeat this process all over my head. I let my hair dry overnight. It is now the next morning and I am unraveling my hair. I was very pleased with the definition of my hair. Now I am separating my hair using my favorite oil, Canmioil. I was so happy the way my hair turned out. This look is inspired by Hazel Goddess. Now on to the review of how I felt about the curl activator. Hi! Today's video will be a review on Kera's Curl Essence Moisturizing Curl Activator and their co-wash. So I don't have a clip of the co-wash, but basically the co-wash, it smells tropical. It's infused with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. It smells really, really good. And it's one of those creamy co-washes. I wouldn't say it's like the As I Am's coconut co-wash, but it's a more thicker consistency than that, but it is really good, and it gave my scalp feeling great, and it left it clean but not like too squeaky clean. So I co-washed my hair. One week I shampooed, the next week I co-washed. So this week I co-washed and used this as my styler to achieve this look. This is a braid and curl that I just did with some large perm rod sets at the end of my hair, and I really love how this came out. This line is so affordable. I got this at Sally's for buy one get one. At the time they had a buy one get one, and I think this itself was like $6 something or $7. The whole line is under $10, which is really good. Kera's usual products are kind of pricey. I use Kera on my relaxed and natural hair. My mom uses this shampoo. My mom is relaxed and it works really well with her hair, and it still works well on my hair. But I got this from Sally's and I was very pleased. I saw that they came out with it on Instagram and looking at videos on YouTube and stuff, so I wanted to check it out for myself, and I really like it. I wanted to find another affordable co-wash and another good leave-in, and the girl recommended to me the moisturizing curl activator, the Worker There, so I wanted to give it a try, and it was a thick consistency, glided on my hair pretty good. And I used this on my wet hair before and my blow dried hair, because I did this as a stretch look, but it came out very well. So in the bottle it has 12 fluid ounces, which I think is a lot of product for the price. Like I said, this was $6 or $7, so that's very good right off the bat. What does it claim to do? So amazing moisture, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and healthy. Transform days-old frizzy hair into fresh-looking, well-defined, moisturized curls. I can say when I've used this on my wet and dry hair, my curls do look amazing. My hair does feel moisturized, and it's good to detangle with, and my hair is soft. I plan to pick up the conditioner of this line and shampoo also, since I really like the two products I already have. They have almost everything in this line except the deep conditioner, so I would really like if they came out with a deep conditioner in this line. I think that would be so good. I know they also have a curling jelly, a mixed cocktail oil blend, edge control, shampoo, conditioner, and I think a leave-in cream, and then a Swiss cream also. So, and I've only seen this sold exclusively at Sally's, or you could buy it online on their website. So I was very pleased with how my hair came out and how my hair's been reacting to this line, and I definitely recommend it to anyone. Holiday shopping still. I'm filming this today on Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.